Today I am going to show you how to get the Apprentice Blacksmith badge for this cool ladder. First, enter the castle and turn to your right. Use your ladder to get up. There should be a blacksmith here. Click on the blacksmith, he should give you a ring. Make it to 753 meters without dying like an idiot. After 2 billion years you wanna go to the right. Be careful and don't fall. Drop the ring, I hold a knee. Go back to the blacksmith safely. Do not buy.